If your AirPods Pro 3 suddenly keeps blinking orange or amber or maybe white LED when you open the case, when you charge it, and you're quite not sure what it means, don't worry, here's what these lights actually indicate and how to fix it fast. So the amber light keeps blinking whenever the case is severely low in charge, lower than 20%. So the first thing you can do is just go ahead, plug it in and charge it. Now, the white blinking light is harmless compared to the amber one. Now, it generally keeps blinking when it's connected to the iPhone, but somehow it gets into pairing mode. So you can just close the lid, open it up to get rid of pairing mode. If it's still showing amber flashing LED, might happen for some glitch or bug. So for now, just let's forget it from the iPhone and then just go ahead and reset it once. Just open the lid, make sure both the buds are inside the case, double tap 3 times over the LED. It will, bear with me, just flash orange, keep patience, and then it will blink white LED. Now talking about reset, it can also stuck while resetting and maybe keeps showing amber indefinitely. So just close the lid in that case and after a couple of seconds open it up and then you can just go on with the reset process. Alright, so lastly, you can check if there is any pending firmware on the AirPods or not. So just go and open the AirPods settings on our iPhone, scroll down to version, and then just hit the Apple support link at the bottom. Just check the released version with the current one your AirPods is updated to. If it does not match and needs upgrading, just make sure the AirPods is connected to the iPhone, close the lid, connect it to a charger. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is turned on, and then leave your AirPod like this nearby to your iPhone for 30 minutes. It'll automatically update firmware. If there is a hardware problem, flashing amber or white light without any reason will disappear after that. Thanks for watching.